Hi everyone, my name is Thảo. Today I feel great so much. This is my homework. Now let's start. Show me your rights. The more you share, the more you get. Don't shout at me, please. I don't like it. For sure, for sure. I love you more than everyone. I like swimming in the ocean. I usually study English in the morning. I like watching television. What is your vision? Give me a massage. Massage. Give me a massage. I have a child. I have a question for you. I like chicken dance. I will return my goals. Catch you later. I want to have a large house. I am standing on the stage. Don't jump to conclusion. I was born in June. Shut the joke. Shut the joke. Sure. Sit. Sell. Sing. Liz. Shh. She. Shit. Shell. Shine. Leash. Shop. Ship. Ships. Cash. Was. Cheap. Trip. Catch. Watch. She shall see shells on the seashore. The seashells are seashells for sure. Thanks for your listening.